I would like to add one more thing before I finish this version. So I added these hotkeys to insert gaps into the workspace like this. So it just works across the entire workspace like that. It's actually not just for inserting gaps, I guess, because you can also pull the blocks. You can push or pull the blocks. Anyway, what I would like to do is obviously this doesn't work with snapping, and I'm not actually sure if there's a good way to make that work with snapping. But what I could do instead is just add an option for a meta block, so that you can like create a meta block like this, and there's like one action you can do with a meta block at the moment. You can convert it to a tempo guide, but I want to add some more options in here for inserting gaps. So you'd click insert gap, and it would just basically shift all of these to the right by the length of the block, or to the left. I'll add an option to shift it to the left as well. Yes. And I think I actually want this to be like a sub menu of the context menu. So there'll be like a sub menu that says insert gap, and then you can either do it for the track that the meta block is on, or the entire workspace. And also some of the context menu items, if you hold down Control, then there's like an alternate version. So I think what I'll do is, by default, it will shift blocks to the right, like that. Oops, wrong button, like that. But if you hold down Control, it will shift to the left instead. Yes. Now these block context menus actually, that stuff needs to be refactored. It's like one of the last things that I need to do to eliminate some of the block objects. It's mostly just to do with these context menus, but I think I can get away with not doing that. The only thing is, I don't think there's any situation yet where I create any sub menus for these block context menus. And I can't actually remember how sub menus work at all. Like what the Godot API is for it. So hopefully it's easy to just create a little sub menu there for meta blocks. So there should be in here. Okay, so this is where it populates the context menu. So here, after the convert to tempo guide, I would have add. Is it called submenu? Add submenu. Yeah. Oh, and it's identified by a string, I think. Add. Yeah, that must be it. So I do have submenus in other places in the code base. Such as here. Oh, okay, so you add it as a child. Okay, that's a problem then. That is a problem. Okay. Oh, no, it isn't. it's I mean, it's not a problem. It's just the fact that like this class here is a class that is going to be refactored away soon. But in order to update this context menu so that it has that submenu inside of it, I'm going to have to update this class, even though I'm going to eventually refactor it away. Because I basically have this populate context menu thing, which will run every time the context menu appears, basically. But I'm also going to need like an initialize context menu function just to add that submenu at the beginning. I think I'm correct in saying that context menu. I believe this will just run every time. Yeah, open context menu. So again, this class is going to be refactored away. But yeah, you can see the reason I haven't done it is this is like the base class of the other class. The reason I haven't done it is just because it's a lot of work. It's just a lot of tedious work. But you can see there's like no data in this class. It's all just virtual function calls. So it shouldn't exist. Okay, so I want to add... first of all, let's get some music on. This will do. So I'm going to do this, initialize context menu, because I need to add that submenu, but I only want to add it once, obviously. No, you know what I'm going to do actually? That's, instead of doing that, let's just, what's this? This isn't needed anymore. Okay, this is just temporary because this class is going to be refactored away, but context menu has been initialized. What's the problem? Oh, it's const. Oh, but I also have to connect. Oh. I also have this stupid class which I don't like. I like to get rid of this as well. Oh, I could just add it here instead. like I'm doing with the baking menu. Not every block has a baking menu, but I still add it here. Okay, that's how I do things then. I see. So I have already done this before. I had a block context menu with a sub menu on it. Where was that? Context menu. Okay. Gap menu. Okay. Let's fix the formatting here. Oh yeah, I was going to put this in another branch just in case I don't finish it, but I think it should be easy. Okay, I'm also going to need to respond to key presses here, so that I can update. I think I do it with the lane. Is there a lane context menu? The track context menu. Yeah, I respond to key presses so that I can update. The names of things. That's how I do it, okay. Fix this, this is stupid. I actually need to add it to the scene here. Right, whatever. Okay, so if it's not visible, what? Visible, or is visible? I do not know. Okay, and now trying to remember how to do this. Is that right? What just happened? Ah. Key bindings slash. Very good name for a function, but whatever. Okay, so the hell just happened? Jesus. Okay. Let's see. Get item index. Oh, that's not right, is it? Submenu ID for the baking is a bit quick and hacky, so we add this, we should give it an ID now. Why am I returning? Oh. Why is that needed? It is needed. Okay, whatever. Yeah. Insert gap. Right. So this one is going to it's going to show up when control is held down. Okay, so now we need insert gap track. So these are the text for the submenu items. I think I just say track and right space. That should be fine. Yeah. I have to open the project in Godot once for it to re-import that file. The item index for submenu ID gap. Right, does this do what I think it does? I think it returns -1 if it doesn't exist. Damn, it doesn't say. I don't know. Let's create a little test so to see how that works. Or I could look at the source code. Let's look at the Godot source. Find it. Get item index -1 returns -1 if it's not there. Okay, that's what I needed to know. Someone should add that to the Godot docs. I'm not going to do it. Set item text, get menu index. Okay. That's all good. Oh, I need to do this. Okay. Case 0 will be triggered. Oh, I need this again. Okey-dokey. Not actually sure I understand anything. Block context menu. Am I specifying these sub-menu items somewhere in here? Oh, it's here. Okay. Right, you have to add them here. So TR... What was it? I don't remember. Oh, I could look in here, it'd be faster. insert gap track. There we go. So that's all set up, I think. So now all I have to do, I think, is add gap menu, add gap menu, like that. See what happens. Aha! Okay, it doesn't change back when I release control. What did I do wrong in here? Ah. Okay, so by default it'll shift things to the right. You can hold down control to change to the left. I guess this is classified as a Godot bug, the fact that it doesn't update this position. I guess we can fix that by... I'd have to make a note of... oh no, I guess I... No, I don't know what to do about that. Actually. How do I fix that? I guess I just manually move it. Get menu, set global position. I don't know why there's like a delay before it does it. Wow. So weird. So I should do this first. Oh. And then it... No, it's fine. Okay, Godot context menus have always been like really janky, so... This is fine. Alright, so now all I need to do is respond to those being clicked. Which is the interesting part. So... Okay. Just going to reuse this action name. I'll start by implementing these functions individually, and then I'll probably realise that they can be mashed into one function. So function. Add gap track left. Okay. Right. Okay. Get track. Do a similar thing to this. Not entirely sure what I'm doing. Should be more generic. Why are you complaining? Oops. Okay. No. I don't know what I'm doing. Get IDs. I can definitely write this more concisely, but whatever. This makes sense to me at the moment. Right. I guess it should be the target size rather than the effective size. So we use this and remember to cast it to signed. I think that's right. I think that's right, maybe. Let's just see what happens. Oh, no, it's not right. It's not right. This should be... like this. Also, this should be like Wait. No, I'm getting confused. Yeah, I'm just gonna have to see what happens because I'm not sure. I'm not sure what's right. This will be everything to the left of the block and also inside of it. And this is everything to the right of the block and inside of it. Should be right, I think. Create a meta block like this. So gap. It shouldn't move itself. But did that seem right? I think so. So don't move yourself. Don't move yourself, please. Is this a sorted list? I don't think so. Just sort it here, it's fine. Oh, no. What's faster? Should I just filter it in the for loop? I don't know what's... I don't think performance is an issue here, actually. But I can just do this. Right, this sucks having it copy pasted like this, so let's figure out how to do it better. Add gap. Okay. I don't really want to do it like that. My mind is reeling with possible implementations here. Trying to think of one that doesn't suck. Let's try this. Okay. Alright, moment of truth. So let's say we want to create a gap here. Nice. And for the entire workspace. Cool. In the future I could add an option to make it actually create slices here, I suppose. So it ends up like that. But for now this is fine. Let's just test all of them. So yes. Yes. To the left. Is that correct? Hold on. It is. That one wasn't right. Workspace to the left. Oh, that's wrong. Workspace left. I don't think I'm calling this at all. I'm not. Aha. There we go. Yeah, cool. I think that's really cool. I guess I should filter out empty operations.